The next milestone I'm going to select is the industrial manufacturing. The reason for that is it provides computers, an item that can be created, which is actually required for unlocking some of the other future technologies such as this one. I'd like to get to the train technology quite soon, because to demonstrate that and how you can use it. And it requires computers to be made and heavy modular frames, and both of those are recipes that require the industrial manufacturing, because the manufacturer allows you to craft 3 or 4 parts into another part. So more complex setup, but that's what's required, so we'll get to that soon. So that'll be the next milestone. We're ready to unlock industrial manufacturing. And there we go.
Milestone reached. The manufacturer increases production complexity. A critical look at production line logistics and efficiency is recommended during integration. The truck allows for increased efficiency in transportation, automated or otherwise. New project parts enable progress to the next phase.
So we have a look here. We have the manufacturer now, which we need 10 heavy modular frames to build this. We can manually make those, so we might do that. We can also find them at crash sites. That's something else to keep in mind. And the truck was added, and it's just got so the tractor's got 25 slot inventory, the truck has a 48 slot inventory. That's mainly the difference between the two of them. I'm not going to go into the truck because it's basically the same as the tractor in terms of going to the truck stations and refueling and all that. So we may build one and have some fun with it later, but there's no point in me touching on it now because it doesn't add any extra content. But what we are going to do now is we're going to make the modular frames so we can get a manufacturer up and running. Because what we can do is get a manufacturer up and running, and we can have it making the heavy modular frames. So here's our manufacturer that we just unlocked. It's quite a big unit, and we're going to do the same thing as we've done previously with a temporary setup. Oh yeah, so that allows me to put 4 products in. So what we really need right now is, what it took to make these, we needed to make a manufacturer, we needed heavy modular frames. So it makes sense that we make some more heavy modular frames so we can make more manufacturers. And there's some other parts down the processing tree. And also, because we're making all those parts, we may have to set up a screw manufacturer. We can automate the process. We can set up some automation of making heavy modular frames, which we'll do as well. Start off with, I just want to add some, and the easiest way to keep an idea of what parts you need is when you're at a craft bench, just find it and add it to your to-do list, and then you know, okay, I need screws, pipe, and case, and go about it that way. This is still running. It's made 71. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that.